got nothing left. I know it's been a while since we've kissed, or even since I've seen you. And once again we went too long without.
Hello and welcome to homegupshup. This week I will continue getting the house ready for guests. Similar to the last video, this one features me chatting about various household topics related to hosting and prepping the home. In the previous video, I discussed cleaning and organizing the bedroom as well. To continue that, I am airing out the linens in the sun today while also sprucing up the balcony with some fresh flowers and plants. If the weather is nice, we'll eat outside among these lovely plants.
I can love someone else like I loved you.
I installed this automatic sensor light right next to the bed. There's a motion detector built in, so it'll turn on whenever someone walks nearby after dark. If they have to leave the room in the middle of the night, I think this will be useful.
For me, sleep alone for me. Yeah, could you wait?
Next, I contemplated what sort of thoughtful hamper I could put together for them. There's no rule that says you have to do this, but it was my way of showing my family some extra love.
Full occasions, you weren't gonna love no one like you love me. We'll never be that innocent again.
I've put together this thoughtfully assembled basket with some of the favorite treats in mind, including chocolates, muffins, nuts, and more. Having everything in one convenient basket by the bed was the best option. To sweeten the deal, I threw in some perfume and wipes.
For you, and stay true for you. Save my lips.
During their stay, they'll definitely want to pick up a few of these items.
Smile on your face. Love is the way for a life. Oh, life is precious.
Apart from the store-bought treats, I also planned on making some things at home. Earlier this morning, I prepared salted makhanas, and now I will prepare Shakkar Paare for Papa.
We know the systems.
This one is for him because he has a special appreciation for these things. Nothing can beat handmade snacks, right? The dough needed to rest for about 30 minutes, so I made it ahead of time.
It's precious. Put a smile on your face. Love is your way for a life. Oh, life is precious. Whatever you do, remember that.
In the meantime, I'm sprucing up the room by quickly switching out the cushion covers for something new and brighter.
Way for a life. Oh, life is precious. Oh, yeah. Open your eyes and move away from pain.
Shakkar Paare should be fried over medium heat so that they are cooked through. I will be then coating them with sugar as well.
So feed the spark to shine a light to your heart.
I finished up the room by adding little details here and there, like a spritz of linen spray and a place in the nightstand drawer for Mom to keep her jewelry and prescriptions. That's the sole purpose of this basket.
Remember that a life is precious.
I'm not overreacting. This ain't just a blip on the map. The show has been.
The idea of making space in the closet for them came next. so that they could put up their things without hassle. As a result, they won't have to constantly dig through their bags to find what they need. Honestly, this tip is useful for the hosts as much as the guests. When the space is kept tidy, the mind is more likely to remain sane.
Pour me another glass and sing to me real slow, 'cause I need more than just the Holy Ghost.
So I went to get a few photos printed as well. Since this time it was my parents coming, I felt that adding their photos on our gallery wall will make them feel at home.
'Cause I need more of.
We took time to choose some of their latest photos and got them printed in the same format as the other photos on the wall.
When the worst of it.
Using command strips is so helpful this ways. I've spoken about the use of these in multiple videos, and these are probably one of the most renter-friendly item one can own. I can easily switch up things and put the frames back quickly.
In a subtle twist of fate, we were dealt.
Freshly done bottles now will go in the bedroom with water on the bedside for ease of reach along with the coasters. In addition to this, we bought extra fruits and veggies for the coming days. These will be super handy and can be consumed as snacks or alongside breakfast on any such day. Meal planning is the key for when you're going to have guests staying over. This saves time, which you can otherwise use to talk with them, roam around, and show them the wonders of your town. The D-Day was here and we headed to the airport to pick them up. It was a long wait outside at the arrival terminal, and finally I saw them coming. It's been a few days since they've arrived, and now they're getting used to the home, and they wanted to feed us something for breakfast.
Be right where you are.
I managed to sneakily get some clips of theirs to share with you all. I've been off the radar for the past few days for the very same reason. But I'll be back very soon with loads of videos. Today were some very quick pointers from my end. Hope you had fun. Until next time, here's Home Gupshup signing off.